Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how I use Brazilian wool to achieve this natural wig, natural low cut wig. So if you want to know how I achieve it, please stay tuned and don't go away. If you're just joining for the first time, you're highly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a video, and give this video a big thumbs up. My old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. I love you so much. I twisted the wool. After twisting it, I put it inside the hot water, allow it to stay for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then I brought the wool out, dried it up, and cut off the remaining excesses on the downside, after which I will start unraveling it. After unraveling it, I'm going to separate it into 3 parts, or sometimes 4 parts, or 2, like this, just the way I'm doing it on the video. I'm going to separate it and I will keep it. This is how I'm going to separate all of them, after which we'll start making the hair. After you finish unraveling the hair and separating them, we'll get a closure net and put it on the wig cap to get the natural look in the division, in the C cuts or in the side cuts that we're going to put on the wig. So we'll pin it up and we'll sew it all around. After sewing it round, you cut off the remaining cap, the cap that is under the knit. You cut it off, then you start sewing in the twisted Brazilian wool. So while you're sewing, you have to make sure that you are sewing the wool together with the wig cap to make it strong. You're going to see how I managed to sew all of them to be that strong on the video. Please just watch. It's very explanatory. If it's helpful, give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and as well turn your notification bell guys. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Let me allow you to watch. Bye. I love you.
What we do here is go back.